Binary releasing today new tool called Binary Risk Hunt. And this tool is dedicated to recover the entire industry from the software supply chain failures, which happens with known vulnerabilities. We're not only announcing Binary Risk Hunt service today. This scanner is amazing, but also we have great partners we are working with to secure the entire ecosystem. A company called BlindSpot already integrated in CI/CD through an API this service and scan the entire pipeline of built firmware images. I'm also proud of partnership with LVFS. It's eco-centric, focused firmware delivery service to the entire Linux ecosystem, from the laptops to the servers, to edge computing, and any other IoT devices as well. Let's take a look on the Binary Risk Hunt. This is an important component of telemetry data, and you can see how many transitive dependencies been identified, how many risks, and how many software bill of materials been generated by our service. And you can see a lot. Actually, we already detected over 1,000 critical risks around just 200 plus uploads. Let's dive deeper into the service. To start, we need to upload some binary image file, and it is a button which says get started. Let's click on it. So we need to go to the upload now if you don't want to register it for the service. But if you register it for the service, you can also use the free API interface and actually automate the process of uploading these firmwares. Let's upload some firmware image and see what happens. Binary Risk Hunt is based on binary analysis tooling, which is actually being created for high performance and proceed very quick scans for analyzing the firmware and make it scalable and deliver it multiple thousands of the scans simultaneously. Let's look what we found. Whoa, wait a minute. It is a new firmware image and it is contain already critical vulnerabilities. And these vulnerabilities, some of them it's actually not a new ones, and most of them persist from the last year. I think this firmware shows a great example how we are failing to the same traps again and again in software supply chain security, when even the known vulnerability is not patched by the vendors, because it could be related to the reference code and one of the firmware vendors which is delivering the frameworks, and basically the device vendor for this particular firmware image is actually using them, and this is impacting all the customers from this device ecosystem. Let's look on the results screen. As we can see, it's been identified 467 dependencies and also 462 components. As we can see, it's also been generated software bill of materials. We can go and simply download that without any registration, and this is amazing. It's the first free service for the industry to actually get a software bill of materials out of binaries.